what is schema markup and how to generate schema markup. I will explain and step-by-step guide types of schema markup and how to generate schema markup. Schema markup basically help you to crawler to understand your website. For example, what is SEO? Search. This interface is called schema markup. Scroll down. What is SEO? Neil Patel website, and this interface is called schema markup. For example, this interface improve website impression and chances to viewer to click this website. For example, I will click this website and Control plus F and enter SCHEMA schema. So schema markup is generated this website to improve your interface and people also impression Google understand easily. So how you can generate your schema markup for your website is very simple. For example, different types of schema markup and different website uses different schema markup. For example, I will search cake recipe. Cake recipe. People also ask this is called schema markup. Recipes, rating, mint, different website are shows. This website is very simple layout. This website is very simple layout. But these recipes take little bit difference. Is difference because it applies schema markup. For example, click this recipe and Control plus U, Control plus F, schema is generated. For example, you copy text to generate schema markup. Schema markup generate is very easy. For example, so I can use first tool JSON. JSON is new update, so I can use JSON. Different types of schema markup are available. Article schema markup, event organization, local business, person. For example, person, if you want to generate person schema markup, enter name, URL, social profile, person, Instagram, each and everything. If you want to generate person schema markup, so I can generate article schema markup, select blog post. So I can this article I want to generate this article schema markup, so this URL copy and paste. Headline, copy this article headline, title and paste. Image, simple, copy this image address, simple copy this image address, copy image address and paste. Author name, person, author URL, simple author URL copy, Simple author URL copy. Paste. Publisher Ali Sajid. And your schema markup is generated. Just copy and test. Test code. Go to HTML post, HTML view, and schema markup is copy. Just paste in last. Ctrl+V and update and compose view. So schema is generated, and different type of schema are available. For example, I will generate blog post. You can use the same method and generate different schema markup. If you generate schema